Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have another Dollar Tree find that I am so excited that I was able to find. So this is from the brand Wet n Wild. I love the brand Wet n Wild and I don't always see it at the Dollar Tree, so when I do, it's very exciting to me. And I got here the Tame and Define Clear Lash and Brow Mascara. The Wet n Wild Mega Clear Mascara, I guess is what it's called. So this was $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, and there are a lot of uses for this. I was picking it up thinking it could be a good clear brow gel, hopefully, but it can also be a lash primer. So I'm excited to try out all of those uses. It's cruelty-free, vegan. It is fortified with soy protein to condition the hair. So I love that it's going to be nourishing while wearing it. And when I review clear brow gels or any brow gel, I like to test it out with my brow filled in with a pencil and without it, so we can see how it looks on its own and how it would be on top of my everyday brow look in case it kind of smudges or alters the pencil at all. But okay. It does have a more like mascara type wand. So for brows, this is kind of big, but we'll see how it works. First, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the brow without the pencil, and let's see how it looks on its own as a clear brow gel. Oh yeah, I think this wand is fine, especially since it's clear. It looks like it tamed the brow hairs nicely, got them all in the direction that I want, combed through easily, and I like when a brow gel slightly kind of darkens, I guess, kind of wets the brow hair to give it more of that defined look, and that's what I'm seeing. I do feel like it goes on pretty wet, so I'll give it some time to dry down while I apply it to the brow with the pencil. Okay, glad to see it's not smudging or removing the pencil at all. Yeah, I would say it's looking invisible completely in the brows now, which is what I want from my brow gel. And I think it's dried down, but it has absolutely no hold. And I have long brow hairs, so I want a brow gel that's gonna have some hold to it to keep them in place. And this does not seem to have any of that. I am excited to see how this will look as a mascara primer. So I'm gonna apply it to just one of my eyes for the lashes, and then I'll apply mascara on top, and we'll see if there's a difference in how my lashes look. So, see how it goes onto the lashes. I think it says it's supposed to separate, lift and separate the lashes, which would be great to give it some curl, separation. I love when that's the look that my lashes have. It does seem to be a little bit lifting and separating. Ooh. I feel like I could not get away with a clear mascara because my lashes are so light, but it does actually do a pretty nice job of giving the lashes a little something, a little bit more curl, a little bit more definition if you really wanted a no mascara type of look. But okay, now the brow gel will have definitely set down. There's a little bit more hold now, but it's definitely not a strong hold gel. It would be okay in a pinch, and for $1.25 it's okay, but definitely not my favorite clear brow gel because it doesn't hold the brows in place very well. But it doesn't look like anything in the brows. It's not crumbling, it's not flaky, so that's good at least. Now let's see if there's any difference in how my lashes look. I'm going in with the MAC Stack Mascara, which has been my daily mascara lately. I love it. So I figured this would be a good one to test it out with. And first I'm going to apply it to the eye without the primer so that we have this to compare to. I'm just gonna do one thin coat. Now for the eye with the mascara on it. This mascara is still applying very nicely on top. And I think the lashes are looking a little bit thicker, a little bit more volumized. Like it saves that extra step of layering the mascara up. So that's really nice. Let's see the curl. I do see a little bit more curl, not that much, but the lashes are separated. I like this as a mascara primer. It's not a dramatic difference with it versus without it, but I do really like that it can save time on layering up the mascara because I love to layer my mascara and get a very volumized effect. And this kind of takes out, I would say, one layer of the mascara, just a little bit more volume. So this clear, mega clear lash and brow mascara, it's decent. It's not blowing me away. The impact that it's making on my brows and my lashes is minimal, but it's something. Is it a necessary step to take that extra time and have this extra product for the little bit of result that it gives? I feel like I, on a daily basis, probably will not be applying this, but it is still fun to see how it works. I had to apply so much of this onto the brows, and still the brows get very easily messed up. So not one that I'm going to be using on my brows. For the mascara, if I wanted to be a little extra, I would use this as a primer, but I don't think it's completely necessary. I feel like this would also, just because it's from the Dollar Tree, be like a fun kid makeup. If there was like someone who wanted to wear makeup, but they're too young to really wear real mascara, and maybe they just wanted to practice putting on mascara or brow gel, this would be a good product for that. I wish I had someone in my life that I could give this to, because I'm probably not going to get much use out of it personally, but as like a play makeup product, I think this would be great. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.